Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia and today I will be discussing truncation. Prior to this class, I did not know of the existence of this searching technique. Today, I find myself using it on a regular basis when conducting personal, academic, and professional searches. Had I been introduced to this searching technique when I first started the MLIS program, my searching life would have definitely been much less time-consuming. So let's get started. First, what exactly is truncation and what impact does it have on an individual's search experience? Truncation, which is also referred to as stemming, is a searching technique in which part of a word is cut off and replaced with a symbol. This allows the searcher to find the different variations of a particular term simultaneously, retrieving an increased number of results. And not just any results, related and relevant results. According to Brown and Bell, the nearly universal truncation symbol is the asterisk. However, some databases use the question mark or the $sign to truncate a word stem. For this very reason, it is imperative that the searcher refers to the Help or Search Tips information tab of the database he or she intends to use to ensure that the correct symbol is utilized. Let's take a look at some examples. As you can see here, in an effort to find the different variations of the word library, I have truncated the word by removing the letter Y from the end of the word and replacing it with an asterisk. This way, I am able to broaden my search so I can find any and all information that is library related. This includes, but is not limited to, library, libraries, librarian, librarianship, etc. In the second example, I would like to conduct a search on feminism. So I input the root stem of my search term by removing the S and the M from the end of the word. Because the asterisk symbol represents one or more letters, it will retrieve results such as feminism, feminist, feminists, and feminine. Of course, just like anything else, nothing is perfect in this world. Although truncation is very useful and it can be a very effective and efficient searching technique, one does need to be careful when using it. For example, applying the truncation symbol too soon in a word stem can retrieve many irrelevant or unnecessary results. For example, if I need to conduct a search on sharks, removing the K and the S from the end of the word will retrieve results including shark, sharks, sharecropper, shareholders, sharp, and many others. Not only do we retrieve related results, but we also retrieve other results that have absolutely nothing to do with what we are looking for. To recap, truncation is a searching technique that allows the searcher to find different variations of a word simultaneously by simply replacing the end of the term with an asterisk. Searchers should always try to avoid using a truncation symbol too early in a word to prevent the retrieval of irrelevant results. Always refer to the Help or Search Tips information tab of the database you are using to ensure that you are using the correct symbol. I hope this video gives you all a better understanding of what truncation is and how useful it is when used correctly. Thank you for watching.